Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and Rebecca's with me today. and we're going to be picking scrunchies and doing our makeup and picking an outfit. And we're just gonna vlog a little bit tonight. Okay. We'll probably do 2 different videos, one vlogging and one this. Scrunchies. So stay tuned for that. This will be ridiculous. You agree? We're gonna look ridiculous. Oh, we're gonna do a Halloween one too. We're gonna do a Halloween and a regular. We're prepared.
Yes.
Are you guys prepared for this? I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys. So we've decided on doing the scrunchies. Sorry, go ahead, Rebecca. Show off the scrunchies. So
We have a whole bunch of scrunchies in here.
we're gonna do that for our outfit, and we get to choose each other's outfit out, but we get to pick the scrunchies. So we get to pick the scrunchies out ourselves, but our friend is going to help to pick out our outfit that we pick with our scrunchies. So like, I would pick gray, you would pick out an outfit with gray, and then we would role model it, and
Or at
then
least
I would do the
match.
same for you. Yeah, that and you can match the most. And then for our face, so I'm gonna go down my palette, and you're gonna say go, and I'm gonna go down, and then you're gonna say stop. And like, you get to pick 3 colors. Like I get to go down, and then I say stop 3 different times. And look for lips.
Oh, and lips. Okay, this is gonna be fun.
But we're okay. So we're going to be doing
Scrunchie cakes, right?
yes. So Rebecca, go first. I just want to explain something. We're about to do nail colors. So we're doing a scrunchie for our nail color and a scrunchie for your shirt. Okay. So Rebecca's about to pick. I'm gonna mix them up, and she's gonna pick randomly, just pull one. And whenever she's done with that, she's gonna pick randomly for her shirt. So let's get into it. She's going to close your eyes and let's get into it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You pick
Black.
this one.
So I get orange.
Yes, orange is for black because it's more orange. So, I'm gonna actually leave it out so I can do it. Okay. So, that's perfectly sticky. We'll have to lie to do it.
Yes.
Now, should I do it?
Yeah, I think that sounds
Yeah, okay. I need black because that's not fair. I need another black. But remember, you got black. No, keep the orange with me. Okay. Countdown.
10,
Oh,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Red.
Great.
Like, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna pick out of this scrunchy bucket. Can you go first? Sure. Who's gonna go first? Alright, Rebecca's gonna go first. Make sure I close out my count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on Rebecca, 2, 1. Woo! That's your cover.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Hey, my turn, y'all. I'm nervous. Okay. Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green. That sounds like a fun color combo.
So, she's about to pick my top coat, and I'm about to pick hers. So, in the last section that you just saw, she got orange, and I got gray. Boring, I know. She got fun color. So she's gonna pick for me really fast.
Okay, let's go. Turn around. You don't need to know.
I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, but I'm gonna count down for 10. So you just 10, 9,
Okay.
8,
Add my color.
7.
Do I take it away?
Put it behind your back, and I'll turn around.
Okay.
Alright. I don't know what color to choose. Let me see. Gray? That's gray.
I know you.
Okay, whatever.
Now I'll turn around and shake pick my color.
This is so hard.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I got got it.
Oh, she's fast.
Oh, you picked. Okay, I know which one you picked. I think.
Okay,
Ready?
yes.
One of these. This one's bigger. That's hers. Alright, we're done with nail polishes. We can do redo our nails later if you would like.
Definitely.
Probably. We're crackheads, okay? We're crazy right now. I'm very hyped.
I think this one will go.
Okay, that's what I was going to pick, but you didn't. Okay, blooper.
Funny bloopers. Okay.
Okay, so now that we picked that, it's time to put on some makeup. And what are we doing for makeup? We're doing for rose. So come back in 1, 2. We're having so much fun. We have to just like everything. Okay?
That's going to be.
Okay,
Okay.
so what? Okay, so sorry. Right here. Super bloopers. Okay, so scrunchies, right? So scrunchies, we're doing a scrunchie for her outfit. She hasn't picked yet. So she's gonna do a scrunchie for her outfit and a scrunchie for her nails. She's doing nails right now, and these are just the top coats which I get to pick. So she's gonna do random scrunchies, whichever one she picks. I'll debate on whichever one, and I'm not gonna make it look ugly. I promise. I'm not gonna make your nails look ugly. I promise. I'm keeping my promise, okay? You gotta keep me on my promise. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna do all the nails
Around, so I don't know which one I'm taking.
yeah. Close your eyes. Okay, let's go. 1, 10, 9, 8.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get laid down.
I'm sorry, over. Do you ever start over? You know what? No. Okay, it's time to Rebecca. It's time. I can't even see what you guys are looking at, so let me really quickly see what you guys are looking at. I'm just gonna point it down just a little bit.
Okay. So I think I know what we're doing.
Can you see the below it? Alright, so do you know what we're doing?
Yes, we're doing makeup right now. Now specifically what we're doing, picking
I know what
palette
we're doing.
colors.
So you're gonna get your makeup palette. You get to choose what makeup palette. I'm letting you choose that. Which makeup palette do you want? Colorful? Do you want to like palette for orange hair colors? Or do you tell me you basic?
I think what I want to choose is going to be. This is really hard.
Okay, 10, 9.
I think we can this one.
I knew you were gonna pick that one because I told you about orange.
It would.
Okay, so this is hers. This is her color palette. Okay. So close it now.
And then highlighter.
Yes, highlighter. You can pick one of these.
I want this one.
And I have this one.
I think I'm gonna pick this one.
Yeah, I really like that one. I was gonna pick that one too. I'll show them in a second. I'm gonna pick this palette because I just love the colors and they're gray, so it's very aesthetic. Sorry. It's fine. And then I'm gonna use that one. So can I see it?
We're both using this one.
Yeah, because it's my favorite. My sister got 2 of them. Okay. Marshmallow, gumdrop, butterscotch, and starburst. Those 2 colors. I know. I'm like, look how aesthetic this everything is. Alright, these are our other options. This kind of a palette.
A little loud.
This dark and depressing palette. This is just kind of like has a smoky eye. This one has a little pop of color, but still, you know, depressing. It has a mirror. But I'm not gonna let you guys see yourself. Just kidding, sorry. Okay. This palette, it has a little color, a little pop color, and you're not in the video. Here, can you stand right here?
Okay. And then we have a highlighter that none of us chose.
Because I don't really like it. Well,
It's just
good.
no option.
It's just boring, and we have 4 options. Okay, so brushes. I'm also making her pick brushes. I know, I'm crazy. All right, I'm gonna pull them out. Pull the brushes out. I have a lot.
I don't want to break them up.
Well, I mean, like I have a decent amount just for never doing my makeup. Okay, so she's gonna choose. You can't have that. All right, right now. 10, 9, We pick 3. Okay. Are you sure you want that one?
Yep.
You can't feel them. You just go around. You want to know how to feel them, Rebecca?
Oh.
No, we're feeling. Put that one back.
Well, that was when I was grabbing
Do you
it.
want to lap? Blooper. From blooper. Okay. Don't feel. Just grab. Doesn't matter which one you grab. Just grab.
This one's a good.
That's 3.
Oh.
Look at them and see if you have all the brushes you need.
Oh, okay. I'm a little happy because I got a 2-sided brush,
Yeah.
and this one can be used to make like smudgy or something, and then I got a highlighter brush. Great.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Oh, that's a lot of brush. That's a big brush.
These are all I have bronzer and setting powder in here, which we don't have more than one, so it's easy to use if you like bronzer. And then we have Then we have 3 of these. I have 3 of these little. It's like a little mat that you put on before you put the glitter. The glitter. Heaven. I love this. So we can pick from these 3, so feel around. You can go first. Okay.
Oh, I like.
Okay, I got a candle, I think. Yeah, I got a candle. This is a base.
For your eyes?
Yeah, it's a base.
Okay. I'll have that.
This one's a base. Yeah, it's a clean shadow.
So this is the one that was not picked, sadly, today.
I really want to use one. This is a base. You should use this one before you use it.
I'm gonna put it on after that.
This was put on before you use it.
Yeah, but I don't have to play by the rules. I think it'll be fine.
I got the worst thing ever. Here, put this in the middle so you don't have to.
Yeah, so we're both using these, and these are our separate things.
I'll pick random first from here. I think I'll have good luck. So I use some of this stuff.
Stop.
Oh, look at that. I get 3, you get 3 colors.
Okay.
3.
What? Stop. Okay. Stop.
Why did you give me the worst colors in the world?
I didn't try to. I'm just going around. Okay.
Well,
That
you
time.
could have said stop. Okay, so I got. This one?
Okay.
Come on. Yeah.
Come on, just want to stop.
I can't. Okay. And stop.
Yellow. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay.
I'm trying to give you bad colors because you gave me bad colors.
I like my colors. Okay.
Go. And okay, now if you go around. Stop. It was this one. This one?
Oh, I like that. Okay.
But it's not the one.
I
Alright, one
think
more
it will.
color. You can't pick one of these, so if you do like that, you cannot pick one. Stop.
Okay. I like that.
Yes.
I'm happy. I have a yellow, a gray, and a purple. This is a good set.
We both got terrible colors.
I like my colors.
Okay,
I love mine.
we're going to be doing time lapse and stay tuned if you want. Let's get on to it.
Okay.
Each other.
Oh, do you have
3,
lipstick?
2, 1. We're going to do that in a minute.
Okay.
Alright.
Time's up.
Oh. Okay. Ready? Reveal. Hi.
I think it's cute. I like the purple one.
I didn't like any of this. I hated the colors. Like this little looking at myself. Honestly, looks okay. Mine is 2 on yours.
I look ugly from like the zoom in.
Okay, we're on video. They can actually
Okay.
hear us. Okay.
I like this.
So, I really liked how it turned out. We will
Me
give
too.
you a close up in 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. Let's count it out. Alright, so these are we're gonna be picking from these randomly. Rebecca's gonna go first. Let's get into it. Alright, 5, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, go!
I actually really wanted this one. I'm really happy.
Alright.
Because
Bloopers. Funny bloopers.
Hi, bloopers. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab one. Oh, you got a pee.
Okay, so this is the end result with me. We need to do our outfit. We need to do our outfit, so. You ready?
3,
2,
2,
1. This is mine. I have an orange, green
Green.
shirt on, and this is my makeup. This is hers. She looks really cute. I actually really like her outfit. This is my favorite shirt. I'm not even gonna lie. Her makeup, you did really good on your makeup.
Thank you. I really tried.
In the 10 minutes that we had.
Yeah.
But, yeah. I tried. I don't
I
do
think
makeup
it's-
a lot.
I think it's really dark for the shirt.
But it just looks fun. Like we're just having fun. Alright,
Yes.
it's time to do our nails. Time lapse, because we are gonna take too long and we have a lot of bloopers. Okay, let's get on with it.
Y'all are gonna need to watch that video. It's gonna be fun.
Yes, and our vlog. Alright, let's get into it. Hi guys, this is the outro, and we changed clothes, but you guys have to go watch part 2 and part 3. This is part 1, and I will link, just go on my page and watch part 2 and part 3. And Rebecca's still here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We still have our makeup on, and please go watch part 2 and part 3. It was a journey. Do you want to talk for a second?
No, I have nothing to say.
Okay. Bye, guys.